Dew Claw. Some proper hippy dippy dope smoking tire lube. Dr. Bronner's tire lube. Ball and taint remover as well. So step the first, Dew Claw's on. He's gonna pull the valve stem out of here and then jam, I assume, air straight in there and try and pop that bead. Otherwise, we got to get in there with the explosives. Ugh.
Didn't take me long, that's for sure.
Dew Claw. There's two kinds of people in the world. People you love to come. No, Freudian slap. People you love to see, and people you love to see going. The verdict's still out, buddy.
Oh, a couple rocks left over here. We gotta...
You know, 99% of all mechanical faults are operator
user error.
User error.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't think I was being especially hard on it this morning, but you know, it is Monday, so.
Is that thing on? It's whisper quiet. All we got to do, once we get it inflated, at least it's not waving in my face.
Just straight in there, eh? No lube, no nothing.
No, nothing. You'll have to drill a hole in the bottom of the tire to get all the rest of the water out.
Jammer. Oh, that's all right.
Okay. Don't be afraid to jam it. Booyah! Fucking guy dangling that thing in my face and then blasting me with wet.
The tire was just really happy to see you, man. That's all. It's Monday. A long weekend. All right, so can we let the air out?
Yeah, it should be sat there now.
Right in the face, man. Well, yeah, I guess
you only make that mistake 4-7 dozen times.
Special John Deere valve stem.
Absolutely. $45 and the DRM, digital rights management. That's probably what happened with. That was the problem in the first place, I bet you.
Oh, look at that now.
Yeah. Yeah.
God damn it.
My work here is done. Off to the tire shop.
Special John Deere tire shop. Where they're always waiting to close early.
The drive of shame. All the way into town.
Alright. Fine then. Should I leave them the special valve stem or what? They're going to steal it and replace it with a cheap one?
You need me to borrow you a farm truck or... You gotta get this thing started.
I'm gonna take this into town and bring that tire in. You know.
That's what they call jankier as jank.
Yeah, there's janky and then there's janky, and
so this is some custom Millennium Falcon repairs.
Yeah, I had the nice turnbuckle here, tightening up the belt, but it broke, which it does like every 6 months or so.
I keep welding it and it keeps breaking.
Luckily I had like a spare piece of exhaust tube, and I just kind of put it down on the ground, beat it into shape a little bit, and then just wedged it in here, pounded it in, put enough pressure on here to broke down. Within 5 minutes, I had this thing in there, fucking ready to go. Like it's pretty good. If you actually want to get this thing back, maybe I should take a different vehicle.
It's been nice knowing you, Tire. See you on the other side.